Starman.
Oh, I feel blessed. You see me?
Good morning, everyone. Being a bit see me, tired. Hope everybody alright. Oh yeah. It's my eyes them. I'm sleepy. Oh yeah. I just want to, I just want to, I just want to encourage people that, uh, have you ever been in a situation where you're amongst a set of people that say they have a dream, right? And you have a dream as well. Or both on a dream similar, but you know, see it heading in a right or the same direction per se. I'm gonna try to put it better. So both of you have the dream then to be successful in life, but the way how you're going to attain that success is different, right? You see it differently, but when you explain that to people, it's like them not really like your idea of how you want to, attain that success. The steps that you have to take to reach that success. Like I'm having that problem where, I want to be successful in life, right? I don't want to be filthy rich. I just want to be successful. I want to reach a point where I am comfortable, where I can afford certain things, not have to worry, family can be alright and thing, but being filthy rich, that is not me. I don't think I'd ever be happy with that. The way me feel is that, I have a task, my purpose on this earth is to, help people, in whatever way I can, either giving them advice, encouraging them, you know, helping them financially when we reach that stage there. Because everybody knows, say, when I already reach a stage there, the financial freedom, as they say. But yeah, but you get the point. I believe that I can touch people or impact people, life in a positive way. So that is what I'm passionate about, like helping people, you know, being there, supporting people in whatever way possible. So, like some people idolize things that, they idolize material things, they idolize people that, you know, are not positive per se. You know what I mean? So it's like them look up to people where, not even impact for them life positively or impact them in a positive light. So, that did a step on my mind, I want to get it off and thing. But yeah, people, all of us have a purpose on this earth, and deep down inside, you know what your purpose is. And some people shy away from that purpose. Some people feel that if they go out there and give themselves, people are gonna hurt them and it won't make no sense. No, it will make sense. Because if you do something that makes you happy, if you do something positive that makes you happy, then God will see that. God will understand. So regardless of what happened during or after, you touch somebody's life, God will understand and He will continue to bless you. That's how you get a blessing. Right? So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to go out there and help people, encourage people, talk to them, support them, be them shoulder that they need to lead on when times get rough. Just be there for that person, and that's what I try to do. So, not everyone is rich or have the money, but you can help people in different ways. It don't have to be all about the material things, giving somebody something. Yeah, you can give them things. It's important that, people have food and all of that. But sometimes you have to just look on it as you just supporting the person, you just being there for them, standing by them side. So don't ever shy away from that. Don't ever shy away from helping somebody to be better. You get your blessing. So all I'm saying that try not to idolize material things in life. We all have a purpose again. Don't idolize material things in life. Just go out there, help a brother, help a sister. Thank God for everything that you have. Be grateful. Don't be too greedy. Don't watch your next man out and say, alright then, you have to have that, or no. Just stay in your lane. Once you stay in your lane and be humble, everything will happen in due time. Once you have a clean and clear conscience, God will provide for you. It won't happen overnight. Nothing happen overnight. It takes time. But once your purpose is there and you're supposed to be successful, you will be successful. Right? So whatever you do, at the end of the day, make sure that you feel good on the inside. No matter how much flashy things you have, how much car, how much house, that don't really matter. If you're not happy from within, you're not happy at all. So don't be fooled. Real happiness comes from within. You have to feel that happiness from the inside. After I feel happiness, then I'm not rich. God bless me have. But me always a laugh. Sometimes I laugh for myself. I feel like I'm a madman. But I know why I laugh. Because I know I feel on the inside. I know my conscience clear. So, I have that. One of the greatest thing in the world to know say you're happy. You understand, people? So, try the best for us. Do what you can do to help people, while you're helping yourself. Just be happy. Continue to contribute to society, and make things work. Hard people. Just don't worry about certain things in life, man. Just know that you're doing the right thing, and God sees that you're doing the right thing, and He's going to reward you. He is going to reward you, so don't worry in it, people. Just be humble. Alright? So that's my message too, Oh boy, this have a turn into a vlog. Hope people watch it still. Just want to get that off of my mental. But yeah. Enjoy yourself, people. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. Even if you not share, subscribe. Continue watching the vlogs. Thanks again to everybody. Alright, people. I'm gone.
Oh, I feel blessed. You see me? Straight. Who God bless, no man curse.